I wanted to do a quick video about your eye game. How good is your eye game? Because right now, your eyes are extremely important. I actually just went out for the first time and was trying to talk to the person. Look at my gross lipstick in my mask. And I was trying to talk to the person like this with my mask on and realized that I had to scream in order for them to hear me. I had to talk really loudly and they could not hear a word that I was saying. And therefore your eyes are so important. They're important with women. They're important with people on the street. And you may have to make sure that your eye game is really, really good right now. Your eyes can tell a person so much. And so I wanted to tell you how to improve your eye game, eye contact. All right, so I'm going to show you how to improve your eye game. Okay, so here's the thing. When you're smiling right now, a normal smile is just a smile. You can't really tell that I'm smiling in any way unless you've got one of my masks that have that special smirk on them that let people know that you're actually smirking at them. But most often people aren't going to know that you're smiling. So your eyes have to work extra. I'm going to uncover my mouth so you can actually hear me. Have to work extra hard so that people can know that you're doing something. And so what I do to make sure that I do this thing called smizing, which goes with your smirk, is I think something kind of naughty, kind of sexy, which comes across in my eye movements. So I'll think something like, you want me, I want you, we both know this, it's totally cool. And you can use your eyes. And that's what's really important right now, because your eyes are going to tell the story about who you are. So when you see somebody on the street, you don't just go, that's just a smile. You actually have to like use your eyes more to let them know that you're smiling underneath your mask, or else they're going to be totally clueless. And so for right now, I would love if you could practice your eye game. So every single night, go in front of the mirror, put your mask on your face, and just practice doing things with your eyes and your eyebrows and just being more animated, like I'm going crazy, more animated with your eyes, because these are the things, this is the body language that's going to express who you are and what you have to offer. Obviously, there's other things going on with your body language and the way that you carry yourself, but your eyes are going to tell a woman what you have inside you. So again, go and practice 5-10 minutes every single night in front of the mirror, put a mask on your face, and just see how much you can say with your eyes. Try it really exaggerated at first, big movements just to get more comfortable with your eyes, and then slowly start to take it down a notch so that they're a little bit more subtle and cute and sexy, and you're saying so much more with your eyes when you talk to somebody. This is just one of the major steps for flirting with women, and I have about 20 other unbelievable flirting steps and flirting tools that you can use, especially right now, because once you're done flirting with your eyes, you're gonna have to start flirting with your mouth, and therefore you're gonna have to know what to say, how to say it, and when to say it. And that's why I created this amazing program for you called the F Formula. If you want to find out more about the F Formula, which is my system for how to flirt, not just with your eyes, but with your mouth and the rest of your body, then go to winggirlmethod.com/effortless, /flirt effortless, winggirlmethod.com/flirt effortless now. I'll see you soon.